Hey, John and Karen. I spoke with Joseph yesterday regarding this website audit, and my name is Lee Terabienek, and in this video I'm going to show you guys 3 things that you can do to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Lee, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you hear and you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave to you and do it for yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. Now Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a home page, and as we scroll down on your home page here, you can see any of this writing and even the pictures and what they're saved as is considered content. So you guys are lacking in the content department, and here's a key example of where you want your keywords to be placed. So the main focus keywords are going to be maybe in a heading here. Maybe it was Portland, which we're going to get into your keywords shortly. I'm going to show you your ranking for all of them. But you would want it in a heading and maybe a couple times throughout this content in these paragraphs. And then your next keyword would be here. But Google, you have to remember, Google is just a crawling website and all it can do is read. So if you don't have the proper keywords along with the correct information and enough of it for your viewers and buyers to actually know what you guys are about, it will not rank you high according to. Now, you guys are doing well with most of your keywords. You're on the first page for a lot of them, but you guys just need that extra little nudge and you would be in first position for almost all of them. And I have access to very powerful backlinks that will do that, which I'm going to get in shortly. But the first thing was content. So 1,500 words. So I just did a quick search for plumbing Portland. And as you can see, you're not in the map pack here. You're not showing up right here, but whoever is in first place is this Three Mountains Plumbing. They're in first place for this particular plumbing Portland keyword. So I wanted to see what kind of content they had. And as we scroll down their page, they do have a little bit of content, some reviews, some content here, a little form, and a map, but nowhere near the 1,500 that Google likes to see. So if we were to go out and get that 1,500 words of keyword-rich optimized content, you'd easily beat this website in that aspect. But let's go back to this search, Plumbing Portland. Now Google's broke down into 3 sections, kind of 4 now because Google offers this Google guarantee up here up top. And then you have your ads, which are cost per click. They become very pricey and unnecessary. If you're in the top 3 in this map pack and ranking on this first page, preferably up top here in the first position, you're going to get a ton of traffic. So there's no need to be paying cost per click. So let's touch base on this Google My Business or Google Map Pack. Now, as you can see, Three Mountains Plumbing is in first place here too. So what ranks you in this section and how you get up in this top 3 is called citations. Now, a citation is a form of a backlink, but a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook. So what I did, I wanted to see how many they had to claim this top spot. So I have a website I use called WhiteSpark.ca. It's a local citation finder. I plugged in Three Mountains information into here, and it showed me they only have 12 citations that are getting them top spot. So I suggest going to get 100 to 200 of these for your guys' business. Get up in this top 3, and you're going to see a drastic change when people come into your website. I know this is where I go when I'm looking to, go to someone's website, see what they're about, or instantly call them if I need it, an emergency. So not being there is a big thing. Also with good reviews, pictures, replying to comments, that's huge too. So that's the map pack. Now this bottom section, this deals directly with your website, and this is called the organic section. So what ranks you here is backlinks. Now a backlink is when one website links back to your website, and you want to have relevant backlinks linking back to you. You don't want Pizza Hut giving you a backlink because you guys don't sling pizzas for a living. You'd want other plumbing websites or blogs and where you could have a link back with your keyword in the blog post. Linking back to where they click it and it sends them to your website, and then boom, that's giving you a powerful backlink. It's relevant, and I'm going to show you why Three Mountains is up above you at this point. So I have this other tool I use. It's called WhiteSpark CA, and this is going to show me a basic overview of your site. So you do have some good numbers here. Now these go up to 100 as far as power. So you have 3,500 backlinks coming from 664 referring domains, and 552 of those are do follow links. So those are the links that actually transfer power. So you guys are doing well on that, but some of it is telling me that they're spammy because you aren't ranking for a lot of your keywords up in the first position. So as we go through your keywords, let's see what you are ranking here. Plumbers Portland. 500 search volume, that's 500 people looking for Plumbers Portland each and every month. This is a monthly figure, and you're ranked in 3rd position for that. So you're only getting about 60 traffic to your website out of the 500. So if we were to target that and then use this keyword as a backlink in our blog posts or in directories, we would easily get up into that 1st position, and whoever's in 1st is probably getting this type of traffic, 200. As you can see, you're getting most of your traffic from Best Plumbers Near Me and Woofers Heating. So that's 200 people that are looking for you directly, and then this is just a general search. But we would want to target these high volume, low KD. Now KD is keyword difficulty. That's how hard it is to rank for. So like this, Plumbers T-Guard, Plumbers T-Guard, 200 search volume with a 0 KD. Now you guys are in 2nd position, so you're only getting 32 of those. But we'd want to get you in the map pack for that, and also get you in number 1 position. That's where you're going to gain the most clicks. Let's see what else here. Plumber Beaverton, Oregon, 250 and a 6. You're getting 28 traffic because you're in 4th position. So we could go and target these ones where you're in a low position and start doing backlinks for them, and really target those ones that you're not getting traffic from, and you're going to see a big change in business coming in. So let's see what else we have here. Plumber Gresham, 150 and 3. Best Plumber Near Me, 4,400 searches. You're only getting 15 traffic because you're in the 18th spot. Plumbers Gresham, 150 and 3. Lake Oswego Plumbing, 80 searches with a 0. There's tons of them. But let's look at your competitor. So this is Three Mountains. He has a 37 and a 21. And as you can see, you have more backlinks than him, but his must be more powerful than yours. Because, like I said before, they're all not created equally. Some are more powerful than others. So, but the good part about this, we know he has powerful ones, so we could click on his do follow links. And this is going to give me a complete list of where he's getting all his backlinks from. And we can go and submit these for your business, which is also going to be huge and take you guys to the top for plenty more keywords. And basically outrank everybody else that's in your area for any type of plumbing, HVAC. I know you guys do everything. So we could start with air conditioning, heating, plumbing. We could do it all. And I noticed on your service pages that you don't have the keywords either for like AC repair, because I bet you there's a lot of keywords for AC repair Portland or AC repair Portland OR. Same with each and every single one of these services you offer. Drain line repairs. And to give you an example of what that is, here's a website we did for Bryco Plumbing. And one of his keywords is Woodland Hills Plumber. That's one of the main keywords. It's in a tough competition area. And as you can see, we have it in a H1 heading right here. If you need a Woodland Hills Plumber, there's his keyword. Along with it throughout the content, Woodland Hills Plumber, Woodland Hills Plumbers with the S, Plumber, Woodland Hills. So you want to get all different variations. So if anyone types and looking for Plumber Woodland Hills, boom, Google recognizes it in your content. And if you're strong enough, you're going to be in the 1st position for that. So we go through and do that for each and every one of the services, get the keywords. And you guys are just a couple minor adjustments away from really taking over and really doubling everything you've done so far. So let's touch base on what we talked about. First thing was content. Your homepage needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. Second thing was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed across the web and directories. I suggest getting 100 of these, 200 of these, get up in this top 3 map pack for multiple keywords, and you're going to see a big change in traffic coming from there. Plus, that's also getting your name out there in more directories so people can find you. And the third thing we talked about was link juice or backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember, so I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call back at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a great day. I'll leave my contact information in there. Let me know what you thought of the video, and I look forward to having a chat with you guys. Thank you.